exciting news. Fabric has arrived and it's actually come earlier than I expected. I expected this to arrive Monday, which means pre-orders will be sent out earlier than I thought. Looking at it like this is so stunning. I'm literally obsessed with this print. I like to make samples first so I can get all of the website photos up. But the most exciting part is I haven't shown you guys this, but we have another print. It is a smaller, the strawberries are smaller and it's got pink and white stripe with the flowers. The pink flowers match the same pink.
Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the Matchy Life YouTube channel. My name is Sav and I am the owner of Matchy Australia, a small Australian business. I manage the production of all of my quilted makeup bags right here in my own warehouse. So if you want to go check out all my previous videos, please go and do that, because today we have to seriously lock in. As you can tell, I've got a light here because it's literally nighttime, so I have no other option but to set up a light and film this video for you guys, because we need to seriously make the samples of my new prints. And I'm not even joking, just for the video, like I haven't got anything done and they literally need to be on the website next week. I'm very nervous, but it just has to be done. We just have to pull as many hours out from our sleeve as possible right now. I've got my to-do list. Obviously, we are not going to be doing every single product. By the end of the week, every single product will have a photo. But right now, what we are just going to be doing is the book sleeves, the e-reader sleeves, the hair tools pouches, because that will mean that then the 2 bundle options for both prints will be ready to be made. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 7 products in total we have to sew right now. Basically, I am launching a new print and it's actually a duo set again. And it's 2 prints of cute little strawberries. Of course, you can mix and match this print as with all of the matchy prints. The pink also matches the pink gingham. Of course, like obviously. But this is the Sophia print and I have not named this print. I want to do like an S name, maybe like Sylvie. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, we have these 2 prints that we need to make samples for to get them ready for photographing, and then photograph them, and then we have to put them on the website for people to purchase. This one has already been on pre-order. If you've watched my previous videos, you will see that I did cute little illustrations, or if you head to matchy.au, you'll be able to see the little illustrations that I have up of this Sophia print. And that is what I launched pre-orders with. Basically, I just got super excited after the samples came in. And with the sample fabric, I was able to make an e-reader sleeve. And I was so in love with it. I got so excited, and I wanted my community to have something to look forward to after the sellout of the Amelia print, because Amelia is not coming back. And just between you and me, I'm actually so happy about that. I love Amelia, but it has had its time, and after like a month, I don't even know how long, all I have seen is pretty much Amelia print. And yeah, it is a beautiful print. My community loves it, but who has the Amelia print now has the Amelia print, and it is yours to enjoy and love. But yeah, I'm definitely ready to stop making Amelia products, because I don't even know why, but that's just on a side note. I just wanted another print that everyone could get excited about. And yeah, it's fruity, it's fun, it's pink, it's got the strawberries, which I know everyone loved from the Amelia print. These are a different kind of strawberry, but still, nonetheless, it is strawberries, it is adorable, and it's super exciting. Without further ado, because I literally have no time to waste, let's get straight into this video, and hopefully it doesn't turn out a mess, because we have no other option than to get everything done. Okay, let's go. I'm going to put my to-do list right here, and the first course of action is actually cutting out the lining, because there's nothing worse than cutting everything and then you have to do your lining. So I'm just going to do that. I already have some lining cut out, but we need hair tools pouches and book sleeves. I just asked my partner where my scissors were, and of course they were exactly where they need to be, put back and ready to sew. Does that happen to anyone else? Because same, it happens all the time. I feel like it's the same vibe as like wearing your sunglasses on your head, or like having your phone in your pocket and then being like, where's my phone or where's my sunglasses? And they're literally right in front of your face. So it happens to all of us. It's crazy. The pre-order for the Sophia actually went so well that because I wasn't sure how well it was going to go just based purely off it being illustrations. I think I spoke about it in my last vlog, but it went so well that I had to extend it from shipping out on the 4th of July to shipping out on the 11th. So that's super positive, and I'm actually about to take it down because these are about to launch soon. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of breather between making everyone's pre-orders to like officially launching the 2 prints together. But yeah, I need to, like, you'll see in my next vlog that's posted next Monday, like after this vlog, it will literally be doing all of the pre-orders for everyone. So that should be super exciting to watch. What am I doing? But yeah, I also like I mentioned in the intro that I'm happy Amelia is finished. And if you're someone that like designs anything, or if you're like a painter or any kind of craft that you do repetitively, you'll like make a print and be like, this is the best print ever. And then literally like after looking at it for so long, you'll hate it. So that is what happens to me quite a lot. I actually allow for that in a lot of my designing process. I'll literally design the print, put it away, shut my computer, like completely switch it out of my mind, and then I'll come back a week later and I'll check it out again and see if I like it so I can revise it. And then I'll also like have it as my phone wallpaper, so I'm constantly looking at it. So it's like in the nighttime at 4 a.m. or like random parts of the day, or when I'm sad, when I'm happy, I will see it and see how I react. I don't know if that's a little bit crazy, but that's what I do with all my prints, just to see how I like it. But that's also why they take quite a bit of time to come out. Anyway, we actually have a bit of a treat for you guys. Hopefully the angles in this vlog will look a little bit better, because I have my partner working at the warehouse with me today, and he has offered very kindly to help out with filming, and he's also a videographer by trade. Yeah, he's kindly offered to help me film and do like an aesthetic vlog. He was actually the one to film my most viewed tutorial, which is my box bag tutorial of how I used to do them, but it was in that like Wes Anderson style vlog. He was actually the one that filmed and edited that, which is super cool. Wait guys, I just have to pause the video right here because I just discovered how bad my partner is at cutting. I didn't realize it was a skill, but just for entertainment purposes, I'm going to get Joshua, my partner, to finish this cut. And his instructions are going to be, if you can see that crease, is to cut on that line. So let's just get him to do it. And I'm going to leave this in real time for you guys to actually see.
Not bad.
Anyway. we've got our wadding. So let's put the wadding. All right, this is the little stack we're gonna take over to the machine and we're gonna quilt this one up. I don't know if in the edit it's gonna be like eerie vibes, but like it's kind of eerie in the warehouse this late. So let's just pretend we're like channeling ghosts or something. It's all spooky. Oh my God, what was that noise? One. Two. Three and four. Can we have a look at this? Cute little strawberry. It's honestly so satisfying seeing the prints quilted because you can finally see like what the product's gonna look like. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little close up of the two prints. Basically, like with Matchy, all of my prints are designed to mix and match. And when I do that, this is what I'm talking about. Like this is our Georgina gingham in the strawberry colorway. So obviously the strawberry has to match the strawberry. So if you can see, the lighter pink on this one is like a direct match to the light pink on here. And then also the lighter pink is a direct match. The darker pink on the gingham is a direct match of the little flowers. And then it's like spotted throughout the strawberries as the little seeds. So if you already have a Georgina gingham collection, you can now expand the collection and maybe add a print. Obviously, like as the brand grows, as the prints come out, that's going to be the whole theme with everything. So you're going to be able to mix and match over the course of like all the prints, which I think is super cute, convenient obviously. But yeah, they're the two ones. If you want to take like a closer look at the elements, you've got like a lot of variations in the strawberries because I really like prints that you don't really know where it stops and starts and it's not too obvious. And then I also am a sucker for a symmetrical print. This is giving polka dots because it's kind of on a polka dot grid. But yeah, I think this one will be super popular because it's like a pink base. Obviously I love my strawberry matcha, but I also wanted to do a pink base with the strawberries because that's what we love about strawberries is that they're pink and they're super cute. But then this is more like realistic strawberry patch Vibes. Okay, everything is cut out, so let's go to the sewing machine and assemble them. I'm so excited. Okay guys, we have finished all of the samples that we are doing for now. We've got the e-reader sleeves, the book sleeves, cutie and regular carry-all bags and the hair tools pouches. They are all looking so cute. I'm honestly so excited to photograph these. I'm not too sure if I'll show you guys the photographing at the end of this vlog. So if the vlog keeps going, it means I'm showing you guys them being photographed. But if not, we have finally finished. I think it took me in total, I'm not even sure what time, but maybe 4 hours to get all of this done with quilting included. So I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with all of that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new here and you enjoyed this vlog, please remember to subscribe. The Matchy family is growing and I'm so excited for making all of these fun videos. Definitely let me know what kind of videos you want to see next in the comments. If you have any questions at all, please leave them as well. But yeah, I hope you all have the best week and keep your eyes out on the Matchy socials for when these officially launch. You can obviously already pre-order Sophia now. But yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Have the best week. Bye guys.